What's going on, and welcome back. We're about to kick off day 2, Stampede After the Storm. We're gonna head to Fox Mustang Restoration. Still trying to wake up a little bit, but we're getting there. Anyway, let's head on the road. All right, finally made it out. Fox Mustang Restoration. Determined veteran made it.
What's up, man?
The party's about to start since he's
Woo woo. I'm missing. I felt like I'm missing something this morning.
Got the graveyard out there, somewhat.
Start playing taps.
It's still early too. There he comes.
gentleman right here came from Norway. So where are you at, and what town, I guess, are you guys from in Norway?
Near the capital.
Near the capital?
Yeah, Oslo.
Oslo. What was that?
Near Oslo.
Oslo. And they flew all the way out here just to enjoy all these Fords, because this is like exotic imports to you guys back home, right?
Yeah.
And you've got a pretty cool little Fox body you showed me yesterday.
Yeah, 86. Yeah.
86, yeah. So these guys they flew further than me, so actually they're more of a hero than I am. So, you guys having a good time though?
Yeah, right.
Awesome, awesome.
Alright guys, it has been a hot day and we're exhausted. And I'm trying to get Pony to go grab something to eat or something, or maybe, I don't know. But I'm on his camera right now. Pony, what are you doing?
Just trying to beat the heat. All right, so we're packed up. We're getting ready to leave the cruise-in, if you want to call it, or the open house at Fox Mustang Restoration. Oh, it's been a busy week, busy weekend, but we had a lot of fun and a lot of people came out, so it's been a good time, and glad that we could help give everybody something to do in lieu of the cancellation of Mustang Week Car Show and Cruise-In. So man, that's it. We're gonna get on the road and head back to the house. It's been fun, but we gotta run. All right, so we made it back to the house finally. We're back. We're gonna relax tonight and I guess edit videos. I think somebody might be in the backyard. Let's go see. Well, looky who it is.
Well, looky here, it's old determined veteran.
Do my outro for me. I don't feel like doing it. But you got to get it right though.
All right, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time.
That was Ken.
Okay, now do Caleb.
They're all about the same. I never watched Caleb. I didn't know who he was before this weekend, bro.
All right, that's it. Let's show them how it's done. I forget even how I do it. I'm about to roll down this hill.
Alrighty, guys, so if you enjoyed today's content, because I know you did, smash that like button because it helps us self-esteem. Consider subscribing if you haven't, because that also helps us self-esteem, and watch again because that really helps all of our self-esteem. And remember, guys, the DV doesn't stand for disabled veteran, it stands for determined veteran. Like, share, and subscribe on his channel, and I'll see you down the road in mine.
But I'm not determined veteran.
I understand that, but I had to do a shameless plug in your channel because you're bigger than me. Shameless.